Hello to the Seven Rivers Consortium. I'm really glad to be coming to visit you in October. I always love visiting La Crosse. It's been many years since I was there, and I look forward to seeing all of you in person. We're going to be doing a workshop during our session together on lean culture change. I really been banging the drum about lean is about culture. Lean is about born from how you think. I talked about it way back in my book, The Hitchhiker's Guide to Lean. I talk about it again in my next book, People Solve Problems, out later this year. And we're going to talk about how to design and how you as a leader can shape the culture you're a part of, whether that's just your team, whether you're influencing horizontally or you're thinking about changing the culture of your whole organization. That's what we're going to talk about and arm you with some ideas for how to do that well. Um, Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you soon. Be well.